'cause I can't see you anywhere.
Hello guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia. So how are you all, my YouTube family? I hope you guys are doing well and fine. So welcome back to my channel. This is me Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel, and if you're returning subscriber, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm making today's video because I got lots of like in this video, and this video has been views a lot, so that's why I'm making this video again. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you who like this video of mine and like it very much. So thank you so much. Those people who didn't like this video as well, I want to say thank you all of you. So here what I am going to show you my daughter's room, which is neither too big nor too small. She spent a lot of time in her room, and you can see how she is enjoying in her room. This tent is very nice and big, and you can see that I have put pillows in it so that my daughter can sit comfortably in it. This is a very nice and lovely tent. Kid loves this kind of tent. Over here she's playing, she's whistling, she's singing. She can do anything in this tent and I love it. So you can yes, Anaya. Hola, hola. The tent, I put it over here in the corner, and some toys here, but this is a car toys and she's not playing with this, so I unassemble this toy. I put it over here, and here you can see her bed. It's a double bed, like if you open, so this is a bed, and that's her toys, her like little toys. She loved soft toys, so I put it over here. And this is her wall. I put some painting on her wall. This painting right here, you can see that this one, her cousin, she's that time she was 8 years old or 7 years old. She made it for her, and I love this painting. I put it over here, and yeah, Ramalapi. And if you look at this wall, I have put some painting on it too. And look at this, Anaya, she's here. Oh, thank you, Naya. You're fixing this? Thank you.
I'm doing this on here. Take us to subscribe.
Oh, subscribe. Say it. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Put it back, please. Okay. And this is my princess Anaya, and she's wearing this dress because she wants to be a princess today. She's treated, she's like a princess, and she's our princess. So here you can see I put some Princess Disney characters on her wall here. The Cinderella, and that's her birthday gift. Her hala, she gave it to her, and some wall sticker, and that's her second wall. I put some photos here. You can see a first day to 1 year.
Give me my tent.
12 years. Okay, so, and I put some fairy lights over here, and I hope it's worked well because the cell is not working. And I'm going to here, and you can see the peacock here is here. I love this peacock, it's so cute. And I made this, so I make this candle holder, and this is a DIY. See here, this is a mirror on it, and this is her calendar. Like every day I have to change the date, but I think since so many days I didn't change the calendar, so I'm going to do right now. It's June, so I'm going to put it this here and here. So now you can see here, this is done, and here is her second wall, and this is a gift, her birthday gift, and her khala, she gave it to her, and that's her story books. Here I put it over here. You can see she read it in the night time if she want, otherwise she's so moody. And I put some storybooks over here too, and that's her reading section. And you can see this, so you can see here the leg is broken, this one, so I'm going to fix it later. And yeah, that's all guys, and I hope you like this short video. Oh, you put it there, you look at Anaya, what she's doing. She is turning on and off her fairy lights. Hello, Anaya.
Hello.
And if you want this tent, I'll give you a link on the description box. The price is that when I bought this tent, it was 3,000 rupees, Pakistani rupees, 3,000 rupees. And Mama built it. Yes, I built it.
And I hide.
And she's hiding. She was hiding, yeah. So the price was $3,000 that time when I bought it, like 2,500 something. Now it's 5,000 rupees. Someone asked me $2,000, it's a joke, but it's not, it wasn't joke, it was $2,500. And I said in my video I think it is $2,000, but I'm not pretty sure how much it was. Okay, so yeah, that's all guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my videos. And please give Anaya your love and support. Thank you. Bye bye.